Products, as we can see in our booth here, are becoming very, very complex. Manufacturing plays a very important role on the delivery of these technologies into the market. So what we expect out of our manufacturing plants across the globe is a level of competence, efficiency, quality, to make sure that we deliver the products at the best performance level into the market. So in Visteon, we have a very strong mindset on how to protect the environment. We have made significant efforts on mindset change across the globe in our plants. And there's a number of initiatives going on across the world where we are investing, just to name you 3 examples, significant investment on buying green power energy. We also have made a significant level of effort on acquiring more efficient equipment to make sure that we have our, let's say, positive input into the environment. And lastly, a significant effort on generating our own energy by the wide use of solar panels. We have been through a period, a lot of disturbance through COVID and as well through supply shortages on the recent years. And we kind of detected that we needed more from the supply chain. A lot of investment we've made on talent, but a lot of efforts also on bringing up more modern and sophisticated tools. That way we can predict variations, we can predict the market, we can predict the demand and the supply. We believe that at this point we have a much more resilient and solid supply chain capability in the group of Visteon.